Hi, I'm Maria. When it comes to creating an engaging learning environment, the physical classroom is only a part of the story. Your learning management system can extend your classroom beyond these four walls, helping you prepare future-ready students. Let's see how Skyward's LMS can enrich your students' learning. To get to the Course Learning Center, log into Educator Access Plus and go to Teacher Access. On the Learning Center dashboard, you'll see your calendar and recent notifications, along with previously uploaded assignments and resources, sorted by start date, file type, due date, or item name. To design a new learning experience, click Add Item. Name and describe the activity, then add attachments for videos, audio, spreadsheets, and other multimedia resources to enhance the lesson. Decide which of your classes will have access to the assignment and use tags to keep different types of work organized. A built-in online discussion board can keep lines of communication open. Here, you can lead or monitor discussions and track student participation. When it comes time for students to turn in work, they can submit files to their own digital locker by uploading them through Student Access. You can link your discussion and resources to a new or existing assignment in Gradebook or to your lesson plans, and watch your LMS and SIS work together like a well-oiled machine. Make sure that learning can continue wherever your students happen to be. Plan, teach, and work smarter with Skyward's Course Learning Center. Stay tuned for more quick hits for teachers coming soon.